I'd be happy to share my experience with the team and communicate with them about what it would be like working with SynGrow.
Thank you so much. Can you share your journey as the founder of Waypoint? What inspired you to start the company?
I was inspired to start this company from my own personal journey in mental health and wellness as I came back from Afghanistan and Iraq from my time in service. I had some challenges with post-traumatic stress. The software is really a representation of some of the challenges that I faced as I was going through my own personal mental health journey.
How did SynGrow help in refining and shaping your initial concept into a viable product?
I think talking through the operational activities that the software would be used for and the specific data storage requirements that we had in place with the SynGrow team helped me understand where to put my developmental efforts in order to optimize my limited budget for the pilot software.
What made you trust SynGrow with your vision, even when you were just starting out?
I took about 6 months to interview teams on who I was going to use as a developer. Slow and methodical was important to me because I wanted to find the right software team and people who understood the problem set that I was getting ready to address with the software. So several conversations over a period of time were a contributing factor in me selecting SynGrow. As my vision tended shifted a little bit as we were refining some of the understanding for what the software would need. SynGrow's team allowed for the intake process to evolve as well as we were exploring those early technology integrations into the plan.
Can you describe a moment where you feel SynGrow went the extra mile?
Just looking at the previous statement, someone who is willing to undergo that much scrutiny over that extended period of time was the extra mile for me, and ultimately weighed heavily in some of the decisions that I make to onboard with SynGrow.
What made SynGrow stand out in terms of technical expertise and problem solving?
I think the case study data that was used in the early conversations was really effective in showing me the technical aptitude of the team with SynGrow, and that they would be the right people to help me solve some of the challenges that would come along with some of these new data opportunities that we're looking to explore.
How easy was it to communicate and collaborate with the SynGrow team throughout the journey?
Communication was relatively easy. A little bit of a time discrepancy, but not much. It still, I still communicate effortlessly through email and WhatsApp. If we need a conversation, it's easy to get that scheduled and get it on the calendar that fits both parties' schedules.
If you had to measure the value SynGrow added, how would you describe it in terms of time saved, cost effectiveness, or market success?
Uh, I would say that the time saved from me having to do that on my own and be able to like pass off some of those more mundane tasks to the team to help with that was instrumental in freeing up my bandwidth to go out and find the early customers that we're looking to connect with the software that SendBro's developing.
How confident are you in recommending SynGrow to other startups and mid-sized businesses?
I would recommend SynGrow to any startup that is in the early stages of growth looking for a competent technical partner.
And what's one thing SynGrow did that no other vendor ever offered you?
It wasn't so much the that you didn't offer anything, it was the habitual availability to help shape my understanding as well from some of the technical requirements as a part of the developmental schedule.
If you were advising another business owner looking for a tech partner, what would you tell them about SynGrow?
I'd be happy to share my experience with the team and communicate with them about what it would be like working with SynGrow and recommend that they would explore that opportunity.